Welcome to Redline Review.
The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class maintains its standing as a top midsize luxury sedan by fusing cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and elegant design. Interior design. The 2025 E-Class, which takes its cues from the premium S-Class, features a sophisticated appearance with chrome elements and unique LED lighting. With more headroom and legroom for passengers, the extended wheelbase improves interior space. The most recent MBUX infotainment system, which includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.4-inch touchscreen with augmented reality navigation, voice recognition, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, is installed in the finely designed cabin, which is made with high-end materials. Powertrains and performance. To accommodate different driving tastes, the E-Class comes with a variety of powertrain options. E350, outfitted with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine that generates 295 lb-ft of torque and 255 horsepower. It takes about 6.1 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour. With a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine that produces 375 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, the E454 Matic can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 4.4 seconds. E300e PHEV. This plug-in hybrid produces 313 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque by combining a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine with a 95 kilowatts electric motor and a 25.4 kilowatt-hour battery. It has an electric-only range of up to 116 kilometers and can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.4 seconds. AMG E53 Hybrid. This performance-focused model has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder turbocharged engine and electric motor that provide 577 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque, allowing it to reach 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. Efficiency of fuel. Fuel efficiency varies from model to model. E350. With all-wheel drive, it achieves an EPA-rated 24/33/27 mpg, and with rear-wheel drive, it achieves 25/33/28 mpg, city, highway, and combined. With E454 Matic, you may get 22/31/25 mpg. E300e PHEV offers a range of up to 116 kilometers on electricity alone, with real-world fuel efficiency of 40 to 70 miles per gallon while using both the engine and electric motor. Technology and safety. Automated parking, blind spot monitoring, a driver attention monitor, automatic highlights, a 360-degree camera system, and frontal collision warning with automatic braking are among the standard safety features. A head-up display, adaptive cruise control, and lane-centering steering with automated lane changes are among the optional upgrades.